Good morning, students. Today I am going to complete the exercise question of the chess player. Student, I have already explained you in your online class about this story, and we saw amazing things because the ruler of Awadh who was captured by the British ruler in this story. But the peoples of Awadh, those are not interested to fight against the British ruler. Why they are capturing their king? And you also saw in this in your story, two peoples. Those are Jagirdar. Their name is first one is Mirza Sajid Ali and second Mir Roshan Ali. They are spent their most time for playing chess. Their family members are against for this, but they are not referred to their participating or their things or their work. They always came to the abandoned mosque and they play or spend their life, spend their time to playing chess. Students, now come on your question answer. But before the question answer, I also want to suggest about the para related with page number 82. Everyone see, you have a column given in your book by the green color, and here is written something related with Lord Dalhousie come to India as the Governor General in 1848, and he was from the beginning determined to extend direct British rule over as large an area as possible. A number of Indian states were annexed by the implementation of doctrine of lapse. According to doctrine, any kingdom would automatically be taken over by the company if the ruler was either incompetent or died without a male heir. And see, though this doctrine could not be applied to the kingdom of Awadh, Dalhousie used to privilege apparent lack of efficient administration in the state, ruled by the weak king, Wajid Ali Shah. To take over the province in 1856, soldiers of the British Army marched into the capital city of Lucknow and captured the ruler in bloodless operation and transferred him to a place of exile. Then it is a main reason they are captured to rule of Awadh, means Wajid Ali Shah, and also the place of Lucknow. After that, students, you come on page number 85 for completing your exercise question. But see in your book, the chess player is, you have optional questions, a story about the personal lives of the two main characters. Our B related in a very personal account about two men's passion for chess set against the background of an important historical event. Number C is a story based on a significant event in the history of Awadh. Then your right option is B, a very personal account about two men's passion for chess set against the background of an important historical event. And C, question number second is select the statement that provides the most complete and accurate summing up of the story. Then your sentences is here. Mirza Sajid Ali and Mir Roshan Ali are two friends whose obsession for the game of chess leads them to their death. Second is, under Wajid Ali Shah's rule, the kingdom of Awadh becomes weak and is finally annexed by the British. Two landowner friends are so engrossed in their games of chess that they are completely indifferent to the significant political changes and taking place in the province in which they live. Then your answer is Mirza Sajid Ali. Number A option is right. Mirza Sajid Ali and Mir Roshan Ali are two friends whose obsession for the game of chess leads them to their deaths. Now come on question number third. The manner in which the story ends shocks you, saddens you, does not surprise you. Answer is saddens you. Saddens you is for students because ruler of Awadh was captured by British rulers, but no peoples are interested to fight to British peoples for their ruler. Then it is this story is saddens for us. Then for read and answer question number first on page number 85 and see. Question number 2, we have already finished in our online class. Question number 3 is also. Come on question number 4. You write in your copy question number 1. Student, listen carefully. Question number 4 according to your book, but according to your copy, you write question number 1. Write in your copy with neat and clean writing. See, question is they have the artillery too. On page number 87, they have the artillery too. There must be some 5,000 men. Their faces set red. One is afraid to look at them. Sir, don't make excuses. Don't use this rush as check. You are a strange man. Here the city is danger, and you are only thinking of check and mate. Have you thought how we shall go home if the city is beside? The number A option is, where are the speakers at this time? What are they doing here? Why are they doing this in this particular place? Answer is here. At this time, the speakers are in the abundant Mosque across the river Gomti. They are playing chess in the abundant Mosque because their family members had begun to complain about the obsession with playing chess. Now come on question number first B. Who does they and refer to in the first line of the extract? Where are they going and what do they intended to and do they succeed? Answer is here. Here they refers to British soldiers. They are marching to Lucknow to capture the city. They succeed in capturing the city and took Wajid Ali Shah, the ruler of Awadh. Come on question number C. Explain what the second speaker means when he says, sir, don't make excuses. Don't use these rushes. Then your answer is, the second speaker means that his friend is making excuses to cover up that he was losing in the game of chess they were playing at the time. Students, you complete in your copy with neat and clean writing. Thank you everyone.